This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about food cones, specifically these Cone Tech paper food cones. You have two size options, the 6x6 and the 8x8, and two color options as well. There's that fun, whimsical newsprint with the vintage feel, and also black, which we have here in the 6x6, but is also available in the larger size as well. They are easy to pop open and use, fill with any delicious foods you want, and they're also easy to dispose of since the paper is 100% recyclable, which makes cleanup a breeze. These grease-proof food cones feature a comfortable handheld design, and they're made of premium paper. They're perfect for a variety of foods like French fries, caramel corn, donut holes, and a variety of other things like apps and desserts and sides, especially for things like catered events. You have the choice of the vintage newsprint or that stylish black as far as designs go. They're perfect for use at bistros, cafes, catered events, food trucks, and also at fairs, at things like food stalls. I especially love these for the catered events for things like sides and apps because it's a really easy handheld surface. So these are a nice eco-friendly option for anyone looking for a food cone.